Hello, today I'm going to show you how to correct the grinding sound in a HP Pro laser color printer. So I'm going to allow you hear the sound, what it sounds like and how to fix the issue. So this is what the sound is like, and then the grinding sound comes when you just started the printer, and then to be able to correct it, just change the black cartridge. Most often time the black cartridge causes it. Replace the black cartridge and the problem is solved. So thank you, I'll see you some other time. Remember, replace the black cartridge. Most of the time it's just the black cartridge that's having issues.